They like never told me how to do this. Wait, this can't be what I'm doing. Go back. Well, I passed this stuff. Let's try this one. Alright, this is something I can work on. Hey, Epic Sheep. Awesome Python. Yep, we're starting the day with some Python 3. Maybe I'll go into some other codes, branch out. I don't know, but I only know Python 2 and 3. Well, I don't know them. I mean, that's what I've done. So anyways, the other projects in this lesson made no sense to me. It was saying, I don't know, I'd have to go back and look at it, but this is something more that I can do. Create a variable. And make it a string. Why did it check it off already? I haven't even done anything. Save. It has such a lovely syntax. What do you mean? Like, I don't understand. What do you mean it has a lovely? I mean, I agree it's easy. If that's what you mean by lovely. I should just copy paste. What am I doing? Copy paste should be my best friend. What? Oh, I think it's like self-check off. That's why it's been checking it off. Okay. Stylish SETI description. It's a lot of setting variables. Okay, I think that's done. Now set the price. This is a project, by the way. I don't know exactly what they mean by that, but maybe we're gonna make something. Hey Cheshire, have I started playing Civ 2? I don't know what Civ 2 is. Civ 2? I don't play Civ. Do I have a viewer cosplaying as you within a video game? What? Okay. Now I have to... Alright, this is just the busy work, just setting the variables. And hopefully we get to bigger and better things. So I have to do something with this information. I can't just set variables all my life. In order to be a business, we should be calculating sales tax. Sounds businessy to me. In a medieval fighting game, somebody had your name and made their character look like you. Whoa. Send me a screenshot. I have no idea what you're talking about. Are you sure that was Someone was trying to be me? Hey, Echo, coding in the morning. She's getting obsessed. I know. I need to learn. I'm insatiable for learning. Okay. That's 8%. Makes sense to me. This is kind of scary because like they're not telling me if I'm right as I go, but I mean, not that I've been doing anything all that crazy. I've just been copying and pasting. Set it equal to 0. Customer 1. Oh. I feel like I'm not really reading what they're saying, and that has cost me in the past. Set the string empty. Okay. Okay, cool. AoE 2 in software development, very nice, yep. I'm developing some software out here. Well, I don't think this seems more like collecting data than like coding something, but I don't know what Python creates actually. Wait, oops, I didn't check off on that. Our customers decided they're gonna purchase Lovely Love Seat. Okay. So I'm gonna just update them as I go. Don't judge. Okay, plus or equals, duh. And then let's do Lovely Love Seat price and see if that is, I wish they would tell me if that's correct. You didn't take a screenshot of it, but their name was Bean Dip and their character looks similar. Would have been a coincidence. I mean, I guess it's possible, but it wasn't me. Blueberry, what time is it? You can see in the bottom right, it's 9:40 a.m. and I went to Starbucks and got coffee just for the stream. Hey Gunner. This is developing software. Okay, cool. Well, let's save that because I think this is taking the customer's total and adding the price of the Lovely Love Seat. Because now that's their total. If I remember this syntax correctly, the plus or equals. Since when do I do software development? Since like a week ago. Thanks, Jominal, you too. Dutch is greater than Python. Well, good thing I have Code Academy Pro for a week. I can check out anything I want. But, okay. So I added that. Let's keep track of the items. Add the description. Okay. Okay, so I think... Sorry, so they gave me these empty quotes so that I can update it. Let's keep track of the items our customer purchased. Lovely Love Seat. Ooh, what the heck? So do I add Lovely Love Seat description? I'm not really sure. Good luck, thank you. How come it isn't letting you know if you're right? Because this is a project. So I guess, oh, maybe like, let's say I'm stuck. Price for Love Seat is saved in Lovely Love Seat price. Wait, this is exactly what I did. Oh my gosh. I was right. Feels good, man. Okay. But that's not what I needed help with. I need help with this. Oh, maybe it's below. Description is in the Lovely Love Seat. Recall you can use the plus equals operator. I get that. I guess what I don't get is like, if we're keeping track of the items our customer purchased, why would we care about the description? Does that make sense? So it's the same exact thing though. It's the plus or equals. I guess I just wouldn't have done that on my own because why would I add the description? That's not... I don't know. Your son used Python in school for geometry. He creates variables and sets the variables to a formula to solve problems. Oh, that's smart. I wish I had done that when I took math. Maybe I'll go back and get my master's in math and just type all the answers into Python. Okay, yeah, sorry, let's... I'm not cheating, I just didn't know that that's what had to happen. They also decided to purchase the lamp. Total. Plus or equals probably, because they got the lamp. I think we're gonna add the price of the lamp because we need the numbers, right? Not the description. The description for some reason goes, or maybe, I don't, just to differentiate. That's why we do the itemization, I guess. I still don't know what this line 17 is for. Let's keep the itemization up to date. Okay, I think oh no, I did not do the itemization. Plus or equals. And then we'll do the lamp description. Now let's save that because I think that's correct. Oh, never mind. Haven't done that. Description is getting you more comfortable with using strings with variables. Okay, so it like that would not make sense in real life. Is that what you're saying? Customer one tax. Calculating the sales tax. Okay. Their tax is the same as their total. That makes sense to me. Times. Ooh. Is this a trick question? Like, since this is a number, do I have to, I don't know. 17 sets up that empty string to get filled with descriptions. Yeah, but I didn't add anything to it, so I don't understand. Like, could I put whatever I want? Like, they bought the lamp and the sofa? Is correct indentation still required? I think it is. Because when or at least with Python 2, I remember it was like making me put everything on the right line. It's just a variable for sales tax. Okay. Cool. So, that is their tax. Wait. That doesn't make sense. Their sales tax... Okay, I mean, they told me to set it to their total times the tax. No, that's right, because it's... Sorry, it's a decimal... Sorry, basic multiplication problems in my head. Okay. Customer one total now is... I think it's their total plus or equals, right? Sales tax. Wait, we never did, wait. Oh yeah, no, sorry, customer one tax. Okay, think we're doing it. Hey, Jails. On line 25, you're adding something to it? Yeah. I know. Oh, okay. So yeah, because we're redefining it as we go. So now this quotes actually equals something. If I was gonna like print like, well, it's not gonna let me run anything, but if I like print, for example, customer one itemization, it would spit out this? Or am I wrong? The whole thing is a customer receipt, maybe. Kind of. It's not a trick. Okay, good to know. So we added the sales tax to their total. Okay, now we're printing the receipt. Again, am I printing out the heading? Oh, so they are asking me to print. Yeah, we need to do that. Customer one items. Okay. We also have to print customer one itemization. Wait. Okay. What's this channel about? This channel is about having fun, playing Age of Empires, coding, sometimes playing Hearthstone and FPS shooters, but rarely. I haven't streamed FPS in a long time. Mostly it's about chilling out. Okay, I just want to make sure this variable's right. Print customer one itemization. Okay. Oh, okay. So when we did this, we're just printing out these words. That's it. Because it's a receipt. Okay, and then this is when we set up this. And I was right, it's gonna print out all of that. But that's not really a receipt. A receipt is money, right? Oh, we are doing that now. Okay. What a project. Why Python? It's widely used and easy to learn. Oh, let me, sorry, exit these out. Okay. Customer one total. Okay, so that's just the items. Duh. Sorry. Not thinking clearly. Blah. Total. Okay. Now print out their total. I know how to do that. We just say customer one total. I love mathematics. $300 sounds about right to me. Alright, are they gonna tell me it's correct? I think it's correct. Python, yeah. Hey Moomy. Fancy seeing you streaming in this category? I know. I never thought I'd see the day either. I tried to run away from coding for many years. My dad would be proud that I'm learning. Okay. I think this is just like an advertisement. What? Oh, this might be like actual like thing I have to learn. Learn how to assign a variable. Yes, we did. Often want a user of a program to enter new information. Print. Information using input. Output a variable. We assign information to a variable using input. Okay. You learn JavaScript and learn programming's not for you. I hope that doesn't happen to me. Okay. What I would say, let me look. Okay, we need the variable. The variable favorite, flightless bird, equals input, print. What is your favorite bird? Yep. Not only, my iced coffee's melting. Not only can it be used for collecting all sorts of different info. Once you have that information stored, you can use it to simulate interaction. Okay. I guess I'm not really sure I understand the complete difference between the two. Between input and just setting up the equals. Favorite fruit. Okay, I like space. Okay. Where you all want to interact. Okay. Well, maybe we should try this in the real world. So I can see what you mean. Oh gosh, this looks complicated. I guess this isn't really coding though. C++. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find like another language to learn today. Branch out a little bit while I have the subscription. Maybe everyone can vote in the chat what they want to see after this. Okay, so they're asking me to make choices. It's kind of like when you read a magazine, you know, and you like find out what you should do. Oh gosh. So this isn't anything besides reading. Computer goes through... Oh, your computer goes through a similar flow every time it executes code. Oh. Okay. Good to know. So now we have to do booleans. C++. Started with HTML. I also started with HTML and everyone's like, no, don't do that. So I was like, okay. Order to control flow or program. We want to see if something's true or not. I'm going to be true or false. Okay. Is today a weekday? Okay. Oh. Well, yeah. That's not objectively true or false. Someone else might say Wednesday's the best day. And their statement would be no less true or false. Okay. Okay, I get it. So it has to actually be objectively true. That's what they're trying to tell me. Even though it's false. Okay. Statement 1. Don't do C++ as a second language. You won't understand anything. Do C hashtag. Okay. Thank you for the tip. Python or Ruby? I've gotten Ruby. I've gotten Dutch. I don't know. I can't remember what else I've got. So many languages to learn. You'd set it to no. Okay. You'd set it to no. Okay. This is an opinion, yeah? I'm just... Where do I update? C#? That's right, I forget. I knew it wasn't a hashtag. So do I just keep updating? Or should I do example statement 2? Or where do I put true or false? It didn't really tell me. think. If they are, set the matching variables to yes. Oh. Okay, sorry. I need to read the instructions. Okay. If they are a Boolean statement, put yes. Okay. Dogs are mammals. I would say that's fact. My dog is named Pavel. How would I know that? Maybe that is the name of your dog, sure. They didn't let me know otherwise. Dogs make the best pets. Now that is not a Boolean statement, so we gotta say no. Not a bad idea. Python's easy to learn. Yes, that's why I love it. Cats are female dogs. Let's say that's a no. Alright, that was simpler than I was making it out to be. What? But it told me to do that. Wait, sorry, I don't think I read the instructions. If they are to the right, if they are, set the matching variable to the right. Sorry. Okay, this is not, this is an opinion, so you'd set example, so you'd set that to no. This example statement. But where do I guess do we just keep updating it? Like, oh gosh. Like that's no, that's no. I'd say this is yes. But then I'm just up. Do you understand what I'm asking? Like, why? What? I guess I can see why it's wrong because I'm just updating it, but what else do they want? Maybe cats are female dogs. Maybe, and I just don't know it, but I don't know what they want from me. Oops. What do I change? I'm trying to set it to... Or maybe these are all false? No, but dogs are mammals, so that's not right. Just put yes or no. I did, but I put them in quotes. Am I not supposed to put them in quotes? Because I did. Like, I said quotes, yes. I'll just try. No quotes. No. Ain't it? I don't know what they're asking for. I feel like this isn't coding. This is... I don't know what they're asking me for. Hey, Red Teamer. You're not supposed to write the actual statements. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Gosh dang it. Why didn't anyone say so? Oh, Echo did say that. Sorry. They are extremely unclear. Hey, Mr. Eagle. Living in California in 2022. I was born here. What do you mean? It's not like I, chose to be here, but I do love it, so. Okay. So, yeah, I agree. They made it very unclear. So, is that a Boolean statement? Yes, because it's objective. Objective. Wow. Cats are female dogs is a false statement? No. So I said no. Huh? So it is a Boolean expression. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh yeah, sorry. These trick questions. Wait, what? I mean, I get it's not an opinion. Okay, so it's like... It is not objectively true or false. Okay, so that is objectively false. Oh my gosh. This is tricky. They got me with that one. I really have to let that marinate in my brain because that was hard and like it's not just answering the question, it's is this an opinion? No, that is not an opinion, that is a false statement. I don't know. Cali's a third world state. You moved 4 years ago. Oh yeah, the taxes are crazy. But it's the best state, so it's worth. Now we understand what Boolean expressions are. Let's create them. Relational operators. Ooh, this is mathy. Operators compared to items, either true or false. For this reason, you'll hear them called comparators. Okay. Equals or not equals? So operators compare two items and return true or false if they're equal or not. I can create them by comparing two values using these operators. These are examples of a Boolean expression? Is it? I don't think it is. Because 1 equals 1. Okay, that's an objective truth. Are they asking me about objective truths now? Because that's what they were asking me earlier. Why is the last statement false? This makes it a string, which is a different from the integer value 7. Ooh. But this would be a Boolean. Oh no, wait, they are all Boolean expressions. Yes. I think because 3 objectively does not equal 5. This isn't AoE 2, no, this is coding. Python 3. And I would say, I don't know why this one is, wait. Oh, no, they're all Boolean expressions. Okay. They're either just true or false. I'm assuming this is like 2 to the second power. I think I did that yesterday. Anyways. So that is different than that. So that makes sense. Determine if they're true or false. Okay. I see. So I don't actually put this in there. We're just saying. Okay. It is not equal. Well, don't cheat for me. I need to figure it out. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9. Equals 9. I would say, yeah. Let's say that's true. Now don't trick me, computer. Okay, well now, can someone tell me what the exclamation point means? Because I used it up here too. I don't know if that means... I'm assuming then it has to be like a power. But what would it be to the power of? Itself? What does exclamation mark mean? Means 4 means 2 but not equal to 4? Do I like babies? I guess. I used to be a babysitter. It means unequal. Oh, okay. Okay, I get that. Okay. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. So 7 is not equal to 7. I would say that's false. 3 times 1 is 3. What is the double equals? Oh, the double equals is just... Oh, I'm sorry. They did tell me up here. Sorry. The fuck? Get that weirdo out of the chat. Why is the last statement false? Wait, what? Oh no, sorry. Statement 3. That is 3, so I'd say that's true. It's a true expression. Yep. Why are you learning Python? I want to get into coding and programming, and I thought this was like, I got a lot of recommendations that this was a good place to start. I want to just like get used to coding and get familiar with it. I don't know, it's like easy to learn and widely used, so that's why I'm learning Python. I know, I really do need to read the instructions because I'm missing out on a lot of information. And then I end up just asking chat for help. They appear a different color. Because true and false are their own special type. What? With uppercase. They are, okay, if they become true or false, then they become a Boolean variable. Can be created in several ways. Easiest way is to simply assign true or false to a variable. Python is popular, yeah. A does not equal B means... I'm reading past conversations that aren't relevant. So, the easiest way is to make them true or false. Can also set it equal to an expression. And that would make it, okay. These are now called Boolean values, so when you reference them, they will turn to true or false. Huh. They will return true or false. Print bool 1. Okay, so they're gonna print out this. Let's just try it. I'm not... I haven't even looked at the instructions yet, but I'm just testing. Let's say we want to print that. What comes out? Just true? Okay, I agree with that. Okay. I just wanted to see what it would print. Okay, my baby bool. Aw. So cute. Set it equal to true. Ooh, I'm gonna do true capital in correct syntax. Started Java when you were 13 and C++. I know, I wish I started young. I really do. I feel like it's easier to learn stuff when you're young. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, I mean you can, but it just makes it harder. Maybe they really do want me to just do lowercase true. Yep, okay. I don't get it, but I'll respect it. Okay. Check out the type. Okay, so we get to see what type stuff is. Oh. You have to print it. Of course you do. Whoa, can I use double parentheses? Yes, you can. So it's a string. How does it know that? Oh, because I made it a string. Magic. Python is one of the best languages for learning programming. Syntax is human friendly. Yes, and I love the human friendly. I'm a human kind of girl, you know? So it'll be easy for me to learn. Glad you found Python later. Yes. We're Python people around here. Unless I find something else, but I feel like It might be difficult. It's not a Boolean variable, yes. I know that because I made it a string. Boolean values true or false need to be capitalized and do not have quotation marks. Yes, I know. I already mentioned that. Set it equal to true. Okay. Now we have to do my baby bool 2. I'm a human kind of girl. Bean dip 2022. Exactly. True and true are different things. Yes, I understood that. I called it out when I first typed it in. I was like, oh, they don't make me capitalize it. I'm putting it in quotes. Makes sense, it's a string. This is a Boolean because I made it equal to true. So easy. Blah, blah, blah. Exactly. So now we have to do a control flow. Expressions are essential because they're building blocks of conditional statements. Oh. Can you pick out the Boolean expression here? If it is raining, then bring an umbrella. It is raining. Okay, yeah. This is a conditional statement checking. And this conditional statement is checking to see if it's true. What? If it is raining is true, oh, then bring an umbrella. Oh, yeah. We're telling the computer what to do, that's right. Was Python the first thing you trying to learn about coding? I did take like a couple hours of like HTML coding in an app called Mimo. But I wouldn't really count that. I feel like Python is the first thing I'm learning. HTML was kind of like boring. I don't know. Or maybe it was the app I was using. I'm not sure. But this is a little more like interactive and like silly. I don't know. Maybe that's not the right word, but if it is raining, it looks very if is raining, print, bring me an umbrella. Okay. So how did we make that if? Does it automatically know? Oh, you notice that instead of and then we have a colon. This tells the computer what's coming next. What should be executed if the condition is met? Oh. Oh. If two equal signs, ugh. They confuse me with the two equal signs. The first thing you ever started out with was coding shitty websites with HTML when you were 12. I know a lot of people started off like making like Tumblr blogs or... I mean, I did have Tumblr, but I didn't write my own code for any of it. But yeah, that's usually how people start. Yeah, the two equal signs confuses me. I just don't get why you can't use one. But is it because it's a Boolean, maybe? I don't know. If two... Will this print apple? Yes, it will because it's true. Yes. Okay. Let's do the instructions. In script Py, there's if statement. I mean, we never defined username. I wrote this because my coworker Dave keeps using. If the username is Dave, tell him to stay off my computer. Enter a username in the field. Oh, aha. Let's do bean dip. Hey, Josue. Tells him to stay off the computer. and try running the program. Okay. Got a syntax error. This happens when we make a small error. Read through the message carefully and see if I can find the error. Oh, great. My specialty. You thought you were a super hacker for writing a couple of BR. I learned the BRs. Doesn't that make a little break in the line? Two equal signs is comparing two things. It's asking, is it equal to B? Okay, so two equal signs is comparing. Okay. I think the error, if username, we did use the colon, maybe two equal signs is the problem. No. Okay, it's not two equal signs. What is it? Error. Username bean dip. Maybe because I have 2 underscores in my name. I don't know. Just kidding. Read through the error message carefully. Oh, this error message, not that one. Username bean dip. Oh, it really is me. Maybe I can not use a space. Line 4. Oh, this is not correct. If username Dave. Maybe. Because we haven't. I'm not sure. Hint on line 1? Oh my gosh. Because I didn't make it a string? Is it that important? Because, oh my gosh, you're right. If it's words, you have to make it, You're right. How could I be so foolish? What? Another syntax error? I thought I'd done it. Double equal sign is a comparison, single is an assignment. Okay. So I'm not assigning Dave. So I should put a double equals. Yes! Oh my gosh. Bean is undefined, so it can't run this code. Well, now I defined it. I forgot that you have to put... So integers can be out of quotes, but if it's words, it has to be a string. Okay. He got around your security and has been logging into your computer using Angela. Okay. So I have to update my username. Oh, I feel like a hacker. Oops. Why am I doing Bean? It's Angela Cat Lady. You have something without quotes in your code. Python thinks it's referring to an identifier like a variable. That's right. So, yeah. So, we need to put this in quotes too. Because that is not a variable, that is a name. I'm starting to understand it. Okay. Update the program with a second if statement. Okay, so we want to get Angela Cat Lady off here. If username. And I think I can put, because I've already defined, wait, no, wait, whoa. I was gonna say we put Angela Cat Lady, but no, that's not, sorry, that's not a variable. If username equals, so it checks Angela's username. Do we put Angela Cat Lady in there? I think we do. No. Terrible British accent. Hey, I'm sorry. Et voila, exactly. Really like seeing new folks learning to code. Good luck, thank you. It's good to be here, learning. Alright, I just have to figure out what do we put here. Don't tell me, chat. I can do this. So it checks for her username and prints. Oh, because we're not printing the right thing. That's why. No. I'm thinking line 10. I know it's you. Expected an indented block. Why would you expect an indented block? I don't get it. Crazy cat lady, yeah? Please don't do a British accent. Oh. Look at line 4 and 5 for reference. Oh my gosh. This? No. Because I just... Did I set my username to Angela Cat Lady? Yes. Anonymous cheer. Thank you for the bit. So I did... Okay, the indentation I think helps, but it doesn't answer the question. I set my username to... Maybe my username also needs to be indent. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. It needs to be... I don't understand. I mean, I get it. Like, how are computers so, like, clueless? You can't just move it yourself? Okay. Well, next lesson. Can we tell you yet? No. I found it out by myself. I mean, it did tell me in the error that there was an indentation error. Thanks, Magic Turtle. Yeah, I'm COVID free now, so that's good. Now that we've added conditional statements to our toolkit, building control flow, let's explore more ways to create Boolean expressions. Ooh, greater than, equal to. There are a ton. Oh, but only 4 more. Okay, that's not a ton. Running a movie streaming platform. We want to write a program that checks if our users are over 13. Oh my gosh, this is like on Steam when it asks you for your birthday. All the time. We could write something like this. This is probably how they code that. When you click on a game that's like mature and it's like, what year were you born? It's like, if age less than 18, you cannot view the game. Bean is learning to code. How long have I been coding? 1 week, less than a week, so not very long. Okay. Let's try it. These numbers are the same. Create an if statement that checks if x and y are equal. Okay. If... Oh my gosh. Okay. If x and y... If x equals to y... Print... Sorry, what does the colon mean? I see that I have to do a colon. Is that the then statement? So it's like, this is the if and that's the then? Okay. I think the indentation is fine here. Print... print. These numbers are the same. I think that's correct. Yeah. She's seeing the Matrix now. Yes. You can read the colon as that. Perfect. Easy enough for me to remember. Nearby college. Calvin's Coolidge. Cool College. It's a terrible college. Name. What? Requires students to earn 120 credits to graduate. Okay, that's the second statement. Oh, so you need more than... wait. Oh wait, I think I have to create the variables, right? as locals call it, requires them to earn. I think I might have to. Oh no, here, credits. Okay, they already did that for me. Okay, I see. If credits are greater than, because I'm assuming you can learn more, greater than or equal to. Wait. All statements after the colon are executed if the statement is true. Okay. If credits are greater than or equal to 120, but wait, see, I'm confused because credits equals 120, that's the variable. If 120 is greater than or equal to 120, that doesn't really make sense to me. But maybe that is what it is. Does he have enough credits? I don't know. Can he... Okay, sorry, they did ask me. Can a student with 120 credits graduate? So yes, it is as simple as it sounds. My apologies. Wow, I could code like software for, schools and stuff to see if they have enough credits to graduate. Yeah. Yep. That'll be my business idea. It's a variable. In real program credits, it's a variable. You won't just be a value of 120. Are you saying this, like they gave me a value of 120 credits? Pretty sure that's what you're saying. Okay. Let's go next. That was a fun one. Ooh, and now we get to do and or, not. Oh, often the conditions will require more than one. These operators, known as logical operators, combine the smaller ones into larger. Oh yes. And or not. And combines them. Okay, so and is like plus. You're already good enough to program for STEAM in colleges. Yep. Okay, I was mostly kidding. Obviously I can't do that, but I'm on the right track. It's more than I knew a week ago. And combines 2 billion expressions. Oh yeah, I already read that. As true if they're both true and false otherwise. Oranges are a fruit and carrots are a vegetable. I'd say that's true. Which are true. Yep. And okay. Even though part of the expression is true, but that's not true. The entire expression is false. Okay, so one bad egg ruins it all. That makes sense. That's math. Fourth statement is also false. Because both are false. Yep, makes sense to me. Set the variables to equals. 1 equal. Oh, to the results. Okay. So I don't actually put in this. I put in the result of it. If car is going to crash, don't crash. That's how I'll code Tesla cars. It's that easy. No, I'm kidding. I know, I actually to be a Tesla engineer, it's tons of crazy stuff. Time to apply for a job at Google. Exactly. 2 plus 2, 6, okay. Set the variables statement 1 and statement 2 equal to the results of the following. Four, 6. Okay. So 6. I'm not sure. No, sorry. I think they do. What? Equal to the results. Their instructions are a little bit unclear because, like, I don't understand. Do they want me to solve it? I'm just gonna try copying and pasting and see what happens. It's better than me. Okay. Okay. I don't know why it asked me for the results of it. Let's return to the college. 120 credits aren't enough. Wait, aren't the only graduation requirement. You also need to have a GPA of 2.0. Makes sense to me. Rewrite the if statement. Oh. See if a student meets both requirements. Ah. Okay. So I'm gonna say and. If they're greater than or equal to 120 and GPA, because they already defined that for me. You want to copy paste this? Okay. You just say bean dip and then saw you on your recommended. That algorithm though. It works hard. GPA greater than. Wait. Greater than or equal to 2 point dot. And I think that's it, yeah. Nice. I can't wait to code something. I think you're supposed to set the variables to true or false. No. I mean, I could probably like do a hashtag. Sorry. Maybe it's not a hashtag. A sharp. True. See, I'm actually not sure what statement 1 and 2 have to do. Is that calculating this guy's GPA? Anyways, I think I already finished this section. Whoop. Don't listen to you. Okay, they're gonna ask me to do something. The or. It's Boolean if left is true and right is true, the statement's true. Yes. I knew that. Oranges are a fruit or apples are a vegetable. Combines them into a larger expression if either is true. Okay, so that makes sense to me. You only need one to be true. Or implies that if one component is true, then the other component must be false. Is not true in Python. If an or statement has 2 true components, it is also true. Yeah? Notice that each or statement has at least one true component. What? What's my goal with Python? I'm not like trying to, I just want to learn it. And if I get good at it, then hopefully I can either branch out or, I don't know, use it to find a job and code. I don't know. I don't have a specific goal. Octothorpe? What? Set the variables. Okay. The office has another request. They want to send out a mailer with information. I've met at least one requirement. Okay. They're gonna ask me to do this. Should make an Age of Empires clone. That would be kind of tricky. I won't lie. But maybe. If... See, I don't get why they ask me to do these statement 1s and 2s if that doesn't really have anything to do with what they're asking me to do. I think. Maybe it's just proving a point. If... Well, okay, so this one only... This guy's actually not getting anything because... Oh, no. He has a GPA of 2.0 anyways. But we need the computer to know that, not me. If credits greater than equal to 120 or GPA greater than equal to 2.0, then we're gonna print you must have one of the requirements. You have met one. Just getting used to the logic and syntax. Ooh. This part, I guess. I think you're right, but if they want me to get used to it, they should make me type it myself. Well, practice evaluating the expression, not copying and pasting. Okay, well, I'll evaluate it now. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is 1 greater than 3? No, that's false, but this might be true. -5 times... That is true. So, because it's an or statement, this would be true, because it's only asking if one part is true. And it's not like in English. Even though I think that would be true in English, too. Either this one's true or that one's true. Yeah. Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14. Is less than or equal to true. 7 is not equal to 7, so, but one part is true, so it's true. Okay, I am used to the syntax now. Good to know that, yeah, okay. Is not. Oh. Statement 1 or 2, because they aren't being used for anything. Yeah. It's not very helpful, but, I mean, okay, they want me to evaluate this? Oh, wait. Not... When applied to any Boolean expression, it reverses the value. So if we have true and apply it to a not, we get a false. If we have a true statement and apply it to a not, we get false. Wait, what? That's not straightforward. It reverses. Alright, let's look at their example. Oranges are not a fruit. Okay, that's a Boolean statement because it's subjective, but it's also a false. So, here we took the true statement, which is not a fruit, and added a not to make this false statement. Okay, you took the true, yes, that is true, added a not to make false. What? Okay. Okay, that is a false statement, yes. So an example in English slightly different than the way it would appear in Python, because in Python we add the not operator in the very beginning. Oh, okay. Not 2 equals 2. What? Not true is compared to false. I don't think I'm following this one. Not. When applied to any, it reverses the value. So if we have a true statement and apply a not, we get a false. Alright, maybe it'll make sense when I put it into this context. I know I'm not supposed to copy paste, so I will type it. Not. Just get used to typing it out. Plus 5 less than or equal to 9. So statement 1, not, okay, I guess I don't understand what reversing does. It is confusing. 7 is not less than 0 is a true statement. 7 is not less than 0 is a true statement. Yes, okay, I get that. But then why would you put, I don't know, like, am I crazy? Like, or is this like kind of confusing? Not 9 is less than or equal to 9. But 9 is equal to 9. But the not is making it reverse. Like, does it, you see what I'm saying? Not will reverse the result of the evaluation. Think about it like this. Not 1 plus 1 is compared to 2. I don't think that helps. Not is a thingy that converts true to false and vice versa. So if you want some condition to not be true, you want not condition to be true. Thanks, Chris Fernando. You too. Alright, let's just try statement 2. You know, (20 minus 4). So let's just try running it. Okay, wait, I didn't print anything. Alright, I'm gonna just try to print something because when in doubt, see if it makes sense. Statement 1. Okay. I know that's not what they asked, but I need to see. So statement 1 is false. Because even though it's true, we made it false. But we can't just control reality like that. Hey, Lita. You see what I'm saying? Like, I can't just, like, say 9 is not equal to 9 because it is equal to 9. I believe not of a number becomes 0. I don't think that's what it does, but maybe I'm wrong. Just evaluate the bracket and reverse it when you see not. Okay, so I'll evaluate the bracket. 9 is less than or equal to 9. Okay, true, and reverse it. So yeah, that'd be false. But I guess I'm asking, like, that's like not reality. You're asking 4 plus 5 is not less than or equal to 9. But it is equal to 9. You flip the Boolean because 9 is not equal to 9. You flipped it. So I'm just telling it, like, I'm gaslighting the computer? Is that what you're saying? Not as a negation. Yeah. It's not equal to 9. I guess no. It is reality. When a statement is true, it is not false. Okay. Okay, wait, I think that actually helps me. Okay. So it's false because Okay, wait, okay. So the fact that I'm saying it's not true is false. I think I get it. It's not equal. Oh my gosh. Hey, Raphael. Holy crap. That was so difficult to understand. Okay, I think I actually get it though. They want... Yes, because if you're saying this is not true, but it is true, then that's false. Yes. Yeah. Sorry I had to watch that struggle. It just didn't make a whole lot of sense at the time, but it does now. They've been so impressed with my work. I'm glad they're impressed. I want you to return the previous if statement and add in several checks using and not statements. Okay. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, I was wondering where that came from. That was just me doing my me thing. These examples are garbage. No one is ever going to use a not operator like that. I mean, it's okay, because I got the concept, so it's fine. Okay. I guess I'll write it below. If a student's credits are not greater than or equal to, credits are not greater than or equal to. Oh gosh, so this is where they asked me to do not. Okay. So if credits not less than, but you can't really, if, oh, no. Yeah, let me nah. Maybe I'll look back at, that's not very helpful. Yeah. Okay. You do not have enough credits to graduate. Uh... 120. Great, if it's not. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to understand the logic behind this, so that's why I'm a little lost. It should print. They're not greater than or equal to. I don't think this is correct. Unless, maybe I'll put it in here. Like, I want to put like credits in here. If credits, but that doesn't make sense. Well, maybe it does. Because if 120 is not credits greater than or equal to 120, okay, then alright, let's try to print this. It's probably not right. Yeah, I knew it wasn't right. Oh yeah, the... 120 credits is the minimum needed to graduate. Yes. If they do not meet that, then they do not have enough credits. Yes, I see exactly what you're saying. No, it's like, how do I write that out? And it's not this. Okay. If 120 credits is the minimum, they do not meet credits greater than or equal to 120, then you don't have enough. That makes sense to me. Close, you just added an extra. It's close. Use the format, not expression. If I don't think that helps. Why don't I just say stuck? At first, two if statements should look something like if not. Well, it didn't say I could just write if not, otherwise I would have done that. I didn't know you could put if not next to each other. Well, it doesn't even work, so it doesn't matter. Maybe no parentheses? In the first print statement, did you add print? Yeah. In the first if they are not greater than equal to 120, then you don't have enough points. But they do. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe if it's not... You think I should take out a space? Your logic isn't wrong, you just have an extra word hanging in there. I don't think I have one anymore. The step wants another if statement. Oh. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I need if the GPA... Oh, well, let's make it all the way indented. If not... GPA greater than or equal to 2.0, then print. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm on a roll. And then finally, they're probably gonna make me do like some and statement. If their credits are not greater than or equal to 120 and their GPA is not greater than or equal to 120. Ooh, that would be a scary message to receive. If not, I think it does not require parentheses. Well, I took them out, so make sure you return value matches the strings. Capitalized punctuation and spaces matter. Yeah, no kidding. Okay, so no parentheses. Okay. I think we just say if their credits are not, so it's just this and not or. Then okay. Am I enrolled in a computer science program? No, I am not. I'm a college grad, but did not major in computer science. The third if statement should look something like and not. Oh. And not. No. Maybe they do want parentheses. I don't get why they all of a sudden want them and before they... Oh, I wonder if it's because you're like adding or combining something. No. If not and not. What is the error? I don't know. I might have... there's no way I spelled something wrong because I've just been copying and pasting. The parentheses don't actually make a difference. They make it easier to read. Okay. I'm just telling them what they... Maybe... You know what? It says spaces matter. Oh my gosh, it's the spaces. Yeah. I don't know why that's a problem. Is there not always a space? I thought there was always a space after print. Not because it's wrong, but because Code Academy... Oh, so it's not wrong. But they said it matters, but maybe it only matters to them. I don't know. As you can tell from your work, once you start including a lot of if statements in the function, code becomes a little cluttered. There are tools we can use to build control flow. Oh, here we go. Else statements allow us to elegantly describe what we want our code to do. Always appear in conjunction with if statements. If and. Okay, makes sense. Can build if statements that execute different code if the conditions are not met. Oh. This prevents us from needing to write if statements for each possible condition. Instead, we can just write a blanket else. Okay, I get that. That was a good catch. Thank you. Might be just a good habit to not have a space after print, though. Okay. I don't know why I thought there was one. Access granted, or else... Okay, that makes a lot of sense to me. It's another request. They want you to add an additional if statement. Okay. Add an else statement to the existing if. Okay. So I think that should be in its own else. This is easy. Or else you want it to print this. Some parts are so easy. But yeah, maybe if I had to write that myself, maybe it wouldn't be so easy. We have if statements, we have else statements, we also have elif statements. Else if. Jeez, they couldn't have... I'd rather write else if than elif. Even if it's an extra 2 letters, it doesn't roll off the tongue. Checks another condition after the previous if. To control the order, we want our program to check each conditional statement. First, the if statement is checked, then each elif statement is checked top to bottom. Yes. Finally, the else code is executed if none of them have been met. don't think I, like, totally... Wait, no, I do get it, because if you have anything else that's not 100, 500, 1,000, greater than or equal to, then you're going to get bronze. No, that makes sense to me. Cool. It's an else if. In a number of other languages too? It's else if. It should be else if. I totally agree. Elif sounds stupid. But it's good. See, this is good because then maybe I can apply my Python knowledge to other languages. I totally agree. Why can't it be else if? Glad we're all on the same page. Has noticed students prefer to get letter grades. Well, yeah, who doesn't? Right? If, elif, else. Okay. Fun. Okay. If, grade. Greater than or equal to 90. Let me just check. Then print, oops, sorry, no space. Print, oh, then they want a letter grade, so that'd be an A. Wow. Elif, grade, greater than or equal to, but wait. Okay, sorry, it's else if. So if it doesn't, nah, I think, okay. I think what I'm wondering is like, because 90 is greater than or equal to 80, but I'm guessing like because like if it's reading it top to bottom, then if this isn't true, because it's not true for 86, then it's going to this one. Does it? Hopefully I'm making sense. Just wondering, but I guess we'll find out. Equal to 70. Oh, sorry, elif. Yes. It reads top to bottom, okay. Have I considered switching to Linux? No, I don't know anything about Linux. Is that the one used to make video games? Because maybe I would like to try that, but that also might be difficult. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. Then it's a C. Elif. Grade is greater than or equal to 60. That be a D. This is so easy and fun. Elif. No. Else. Whoa. What? Okay, sorry, no. Doesn't matter. Anything below 60. Print. And no space. Why do I keep wanting to do a space? You know what I bet? I bet we have to put it in parentheses. Oh gosh. I mean, sorry, quotations. No. Don't tell me. I already know it has to be a string. B. Because these aren't variables, these are... I just forgot. Simple programming mistakes. I'm sure everyone makes them. Oh gosh. I was wondering if Control Z would work, and it did. Yes. So they gotta be a yes. A, B, and C are used as identifiers, not strings. Whoa, I don't think so, Steve. I think they are strings. Because I made them strings. And it makes sense because this is like a... This isn't a variable. Oh, are you saying that was the problem? Yeah. The more mistakes, the more you remember. Oh, yeah, for sure. I totally agree. Okay. That was a fun one. Oh, and now we get to do a big final project. It can either be true or false. Yep. Equals. Not equals. That's right. That means not equals. If statements can be used to control flow. If they're not met, yes. If statements can be used to build additional checks, yes. This whole thing is optional? Wait, what? I mean, I'll do it. You're learning pretty fast? Thank you. I mean, I'm sure it gets way more complicated than this, but like, I mean, I sort of understand like what's going on at least. Okay. It's trying to win a championship, belts for various weight categories on other planets. A space pie program that keeps Cody, keep track of their weight. Okay. Print, I have information for the following planets. Check which number planet equals to. Helps Cody keep track of their weight. Okay. I think I need a hint. Sorry, I'm not cheating, I just need a hint. To compute the weight on the planet they're flying on, multiply each Earth weight to the... How was I supposed to know that? I would have never multiplied the weight by the gravity. Not on my own, at least. It's not clear at all. Okay, good, because at least I saw the hint, and now I understand. Okay. So, we're gonna do... That's the entire answer? Oh, shoot. Well, no, it's not the full solution. Anyways, I don't know. That's kind of a tricky one. It is the complete solution. Oh crap. I mean, I'm not I just wouldn't know what to do if I didn't see this. Planet equals 1. Good morning, Zach. So it's asking me to do this. Maybe I'll just look at this part. If planet equals 1. So if it's planet 1, because we're trying to find out. So if it's, I don't think that's, so planet 1 is Venus. Is that where the 1 comes from? Now I'm working for NASA, exactly. They described this wrong since they provide the mass, not the weight. And you want to compute weight from gravity and mass. Hi, Anna, thank you for the bit. Hello, hello. It's hypothetical. Even though planet equals 3, you should assume you don't know. Oh. It should compute their weight. Blah, I'm spelling weight wrong. Alright, I'll just type out one of the things they wrote and see if I can... 9-1. And then I'll hide it. Okay, let's hide it. So if this is true, then weight... Okay, I see. So if it's Venus, then it will be 185 times... Not that I would ever know to multiply those, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Because if I was writing my own code, maybe I would know what to compute. Otherwise, why check which one it is? Yeah. Elif. And then you just, so if it's Mars, whoops, way too many spaces. Alright, I think I'm just gonna make this go faster. We need to do this. Planet 2, planet 3, planet 4, planet 5, and then else. Weight for 5 would be 17.06. Sorry, planet 3 is 2.4. Okay. No, that's not right. Copy and paste is how it all starts. We'll be learning Vim key bindings to go even faster. Whoa. I guess we need to print. Also, I guess you don't need else. I don't know why. But I'll do what they say. And we want to print I guess we'll just say what... I mean... Yeah, I mean... Your weight is this. Okay. I think that's it. Your weight is 432. So planet equals 3. Wait, what? Okay, wait, I'm actually confused what they're asking. Not else, because if you enter something like your mom, it would report that planet's weight. Change 7. Checks. we want this program to keep track of their weight by checking which number planet equals to. It should compute their weight. I don't think I understand this code. Tomorrow we will do C++ with double pointers. Not sure. Probably not. Can we play some sort of bingo? We have Linux. I've had people ask me about Linux. Maybe I'll check that out. Assume it's coming from user that chose a planet. Else would mean any number that is not 1 to 6. Yes, because it's not like with the grades, it's not A to D, meaning it's error prone if you, for example, type 10. Okay. Bean dip is great, I agree. I don't know if I need to like understand what's going on here, but I don't. What have I learned so far with the coding? I'm learning how to write programs, kind of. I don't know. What are you unsure about? I'm unsure how we got to this weight. And also, right, it says planet equals 3. Why does planet equal 3? Is planet equal to Jupiter? Like if 3 equals 1, but it doesn't. If 3 equals 3, which yeah. Maybe it's 2.3 times 185? Yeah, so it is Jupiter. Check which number planet is equal to. I just guess I don't really understand, like, it recalculates the weight. So you can test it. We got this to this weight because rather than getting an input from you right now, they predefined a variable for the planet. Yeah. Can print those variables before the if and else statement. Okay, yeah, I know, but why would I do that? 185 is the wrong weight. What? Line 6 and 7 are placeholders for real code. That will come later. Okay, I think I would not consider this project a success. if... I mean, okay. I kind of get it. I just don't know why I would ever do that. That's all. A real user will enter through an input. Oh, it's a quiz? We're on a quiz? Determine the truth value. Six plus 1 is not equal. Why is there 2 multipliers? Oh no, that's a power. That's an exponent. 3 to the power 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is not equal to 10. Now I'd say that's false. Easy claps. Maths. 4 is less than or equal to 6. Yes. And, okay, so they both have to be true unless it's or. And this is true. I'd say that's true. You're not a huge fan of this tutorial so far. I know it's kind of confusing sometimes. Hello, why not a success? That looked great. I guess it wasn't the code that was confusing. I guess I'm just like, why would we need to calculate that? Because they said planet equals 3. I don't know. I guess just the way it was laid out didn't make a whole lot of sense. But I don't know. Okay. Which of the following contains a Boolean value? That is not a Boolean value. That is not a Boolean value because those are strings. This? You don't have to do planet equals 3. You just need to initialize it up to an empty value so you can reassign it with your statements. Food, please. I think it's this one. Because this is just defining something. I think it's this. Yes. Wait, sorry. This is a no, it's not. This is the Boolean expression. Because it could be true or false. You do similar things when calculating fuel consumptions for space rockets. Read the following code carefully. What will happen when this is executed? Okay. When this is executed, if x equals 0, print else. I think you would print this because this one came first. We'll print. Right? Because it'll print the first thing it sees. X is equal to 0. And I don't think else if no, I was gonna pick the other one. Well, I wasn't going to, but that would be my second choice. If the line x equals 0 causes syntax error. Huh? Wait. The line if x equals 0 will cause a syntax error. Oh my gosh, yeah, because it's not a double equal sign. Oh my gosh, there'll be a syntax. That wasn't even on my list of things to pick. Oh gosh. Yeah. No, spoilers. Shouldn't that be x equals 0? Yeah, it should. It should. But see, I mean, yeah. I mean, I have to know these things, otherwise it'll never make sense. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. 20 is less than or equal to 20. Yes, it is equal. Okay. Now let's not make any mistakes. Consider this below. What would this print? Is it less than or equal to? No. Is it less than or equal to? No. Less than, yes. Is this printed? Question mark. Is this printed? Software engineers in the chat, feelings like God's giving the answers to the quiz. I'm not cheating. I'm trying to do it for myself. Cause I mean, yeah, like if it was up to me, I would pick this because, well, it's not else if, it's just if. So actually, you print both. Yeah. Not else if, it's if. 9 minus 4 is 5, times 2 is 10, is equal to 11. So true. B plus? That is better than the last quiz I did. Let's go back to the syllabus. I could start another course. In fact, I've already kind of almost finished this. Wait, no. Wait, it says I'm like oh. Never mind. There, I have a ton to do. Holy. Well, let's try something else. What did people say? Linux? Is that in here? I don't think that's actually in here. It ain't. What about game development? It doesn't tell me exactly. JavaScript or C++? But everyone says C++ is too hard. Just ignore Linux. Bash/shell. I've never heard anyone refer to that, but we use a mouse to click icons. This is just one way. Should learn JS. JavaScript? I agree. I think JavaScript is fun and flexible. It's core technologies for web development. Just stick with Python 3. I don't mind. I could. Everyone's gonna have different ideas about what you should learn. Yeah. What about C#? C# is the most popular, one of the most popular. Mobile games. But yeah, maybe this is too hard for me. I don't know. Well, let's do pro courses because I'm a pro. Or I have the free trial. I'm just gonna check it out. And if I don't like it, then I'll go back to Python. We want to build a web. C# or F#? Front end syntax. Jeez. To build programs with C#, you need net. To build programs, you need ASP.NET. Okay. I feel like learning JavaScript will serve you much better for actually making apps like you want to. Well, I just want to... We can check out JavaScript too. And I can always go back to Python. Let's start coding. First you need to learn the basics of coding, then you can explore different platforms and languages. Principles are the same. And you seem to be a quick learner. Thank you. So you don't think it's a good idea to like just start... I mean, I could go back to Python, like I said. Yeah, to be honest, I don't really know what this is saying. Okay, and we could go back to Python. I just wanted to see if there was anything else I could do. Oh, this is the thing I did not know how to do. Course menu. Okay, so we just did... Back to Python. A Magic 8 Ball is a popular toy developed in the 1950s. Right, a Python program that can answer yes or no to any question. Ooh. Using the following 9 possible answers. Yes, definitely. Okay. Wait, what? I didn't think I learned about this. This is a framework and not an actual language. This? Python is a framework and not a language? Ooh. There are just so many languages. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Declare a variable name. Okay. The name is me, and actually, we need to put that in quotes. Oh, fancy. Yes. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Next, declare a variable question. What should I ask it? If you want to get this course, you should do the introduction to C#. Oh, you mean in the last thing I was doing? This isn't a language course, it's a course about web framework. Yeah, I think that the last thing I was doing didn't really make a lot of sense to me, so... Talking about ASP.NET, yeah, okay. Yeah. Well, I could do an introductory course for that too. Will I reach 2K in Age of Empires 2? Okay. And assign it to yes. Oh, no. So we don't... And assign it... Okay. So we don't need that. We need it to say no. Wait. Declare a variable and assign it to a yes or no question. No, you do assign it to a question. Okay. I'm gonna assign it a yes or no question. That is a yes or no question. So I think we're just gonna... That is a variable. Okay. Sorry. Taking out the double equals. We want to store the answer of the Magic 8 in another variable, which we'll call answer. Your company moved from C# to Python 3 a few years ago. That's awesome. Love to hear it. Stop confusing yourself. This is correct. Okay, sorry. Okay. Well, then that's fine. In order the answer to be different each time we run the program, we will utilize randomly generated values. In order for the answer to be different each time, we'll randomly generate values. This will be something new, don't worry. Okay. So they want me to import something. Wow, it's not even, but I can't run it, so I can't import it. Stick to Python until you get comfortable with classes. And OOP, okay. They really have a way with wording. I agree. Try to explain this thoroughly and also supply the code. I mean, so I think all we have to do is do that for that. Next, we'll create a variable to store the randomly generated value. Picking a random option isn't actually this hard. We'll create a variable to store the randomly generated value. Declare a variable. Alright, I'll type it out and not copy paste because I need to understand the rand int. And they want me to do 1,9. So we're making random number, whatever this is. Mental gymnastics. Hey, Persetto. Print statement. Okay, it will generate a random number between 1 and 9. Sounds right to me. Once you're sure this is working, I'm not sure, but it's fine. Free to comment out this print statement. Seven. Okay. Now that we've declared all the variables needed, it's time to implement the core logic of our program. For this section, we'll be utilizing control flow as if-else. First, write an if. Code Academy heart, yes. Is a random integer from 1 to 9, not including 9? It is inclusive on both ends, but isn't it a magic 8 ball? Yeah, but it does say inclusive 9. I don't get it either, but the 9 is inclusive. And we got 7. For this section, we'll be utilizing if, elif, else for each randomly generated value. First, write if. Okay. If if the random number is equal to 1. Oh yeah, okay. Is equal to 1. Then we'll print, I think we print yes, definitely. And so on and so forth. Okay, I think I can streamline this now. If, oops, but not like that. Jeez, they sure make this. Okay, if it equals 2, but it equals 7. But maybe if we run it again, it won't equal 7, I'm not sure. Hey Gauzindiber, does Bean learn Python or other languages? I'm just learning Python for right now. I checked out C#. Well, apparently I went into like the project building aspect of it and I didn't actually go into the lessons. But I am interested in learning other languages, but everyone suggests for right now I stick with Python to make it simple, which is fine. Okay, let's start adding these. Now I'm getting lost. Reply Hazy, ask again later. Oops. Wait. My sources say no. Outlook not so good. Very doubtful. Okay. Oh, wait. Do I need to do elif? If else would be Pythonic, if then using a lot of if statements. I don't think I need to do elif here though. Because it's, well, we'll see. And add an else statement that will set the answer to error if the number is accidentally assigned a value outside. Why would it accidentally be outside my range? Oops. Wait a second, this might be wrong. Don't tell me, chat. That will answer. Because this has to be the answer. Elif and Python. I guess what I'm confused about is, shouldn't the answer, this should spit out the answer. So how do I make it, I would do that a different way, yeah, no kidding, but I'm trying to figure out print answer. If answer, but it is the random number. Like, we need to find out if whatever they, does it show you an error? No, it's not an error, but it's not really, I'm not really doing what they asked. Whoops. Write an elif statement after the if, where if the random number equals 2, so it is elif. Bah, what did I do? Where'd it go? Where's my code? Holy crap. Oh. Never mind. Elif. Okay, I think we did that. And now if add an else statement. You only wrote if, not elif. Well, yeah. It was there in the instructions. You skipped the last part. You should assign to an answer. You should assign to answer. But I shouldn't assign. Oh. First, write an if statement where if the random number is equal to 1, then it is equal. Yeah, but else error. Oh. Like this? Oh gosh, don't judge. Can I do that? No. Else print. No, you can't. Else if it's not any of these. Oh, I know. Don't tell me. I know exact. I'm not gonna even look at chat because if random number does not equal a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9, then print error. And I'm sure this is an error as well, but let me just see what they say. Why can't it, if it is not equal to these, it makes sense to me? Time to go play AoE. You stopped reading the instructions right before the answer is assigned part. Answer is assigned to the phrase yes, definitely. No, I didn't. Where if the random number is equal to 1, answer. Oh, maybe you're right. Ah. I see what you're saying. But how do I... So it's nothing print? I think it's nothing print. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. You're seeing a professional coder in action. You appreciate the creativity on that else. Thank you. And we'll do answer. Because we're redefining the answer, we're not printing something. But we do want it to print. I don't know, I'll see when I get there. Wow, no wonder this is also time consuming. This bitch still coding. Hey, what? It's not nice. Answer. Oopsie. Ah. Ah. Okay. Else. Answer is error. Equals error, and now we get to print. Print. Answer. Alright, I think this is it. No? Oh yeah, because I still have this. Oof. Just copy paste to avoid misspelling. Oh my gosh, that's actually a really good point. It's too late for that now though. I just don't know. Here, I'll just ask them for a hint. Okay, so you don't need any of this. Else, so if it's anything other than that. Only else, yeah. Else doesn't have a condition. I think we got our answer. And you know what? We should print, to make this all like make sense, let's print name. This is just for fun. So I'm gonna print bean plus question. Oh, but I need a plus empty plus. How do I put a space there? Good luck in your game. NaOH. Else print error. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out. Just put a space inside the quotes. Oh yeah. There we go. What if I want to do... Oh gosh, whoa, I've like effed it up. Okay, I just wanted to do that. Okay, I thought maybe I could do like... Yeah, it's fine, it doesn't matter. We'll just leave it however it was. Name. Like, what if I want to do like a colon, or like I don't want it to just be one line across. I guess it doesn't really matter, but line 22 and 30 still have typos, fam? Reply hazy. Try again. How is random number Aleph? Answer. How's that a typo? Asner. Oh gosh, you're right. Osner. Oh gosh. Yeah, sorry. Outlook not so good. Wow, it actually ran. I'm surprised it ran even though I typed an answer wrong. Misspelled error. It didn't tell me that. Hey, reload. Well, I have to make this a bit smaller. You can't see the code. Whoa, and I'm like all the way not in the center either. Oh gosh, they want me to do more? Write a print statement. So should I just delete everything I just did? Okay, let's hide that because we don't really need that. Oh, no. We want to see our program in action. Print statement to ask the outputter's name and their question. Oh, they're telling me what to do. It ran because you lucky. Which should be in the following format. Sorry, that's not it. Write a print statement to the output the asker's name and question. But didn't I already do that? I don't think I'm doing this right. But this, I mean, I shouldn't really be writing my code like this because I want, you know, not everyone is named Bean, that's just me. Maybe name Ooh. Name plus asks plus quote with a space plus and then not everyone's gonna ask that question. But this is kind of already what I wrote. It's kind of what I already wrote. So I should probably make a question a blankety blank, right? If I was gonna try the input thing you learned and ask for your name. You mean import random? Oh, add a second print statement. I see. Well, let's just copy and paste that. Magic 8 balls answer. So I could just type that in quotes because that will always be the same. I mean, add it as a string. Sorry, proper terminology. Didn't you learn the input function earlier? No. I mean, not really. They didn't like have me put it into. Oh my gosh, I keep spelling it Ostner. Answer. Plus answer. Answer is such a weird word, isn't it? My sources say no. Well, that's true. You still can't really see. Astroner game. You're unironically using Codecademy for JavaScript. It's fun. It is fun. I agree. You can use F strings in Python. Something like print fname asks question. I think it's a lot easier than to concatenate strings. Something like fname asks question. You can just include the space as the first character before asks. You can include it as a character before asks? Oh, yep. I see what you're saying. Go like that. And then put a space after, too. I think that's also easier. Just use Astroner everywhere and it will work. Oh my gosh, there it is again. Yeah, I need to start copying and pasting when I know I have like a correct thing. Okay. I successfully utilized, I'm not really sure what you're saying, Amazing Davy, because I don't know how to print in that format. Yet, at least. I don't know. Try adding a few more possible. I don't need, I already feel like I get the gist of it. What if the asker does not provide a name such that the value is an empty string? Huh? Oh, if they don't provide a name, well, then the program will look like this. Can use some improvement when there's no name provided. We can address this by printing out just the question. Ah. Oh, this is tricky. You can implement this by creating an if-else statement such that if the name is an empty string, then it will only print the question. Oof. Can I order it in Asner mug in your merch shop? I don't have a merch shop. But yeah, maybe if I get a merch shop, that will have to be included. The name string is empty. Output of the program looks like follow. So. If else, where should I add that? Probably under here. Okay. If name equals blankety blank. Does that mean empty? I mean, I guess I could just ask the hint. If the name is an empty string, it will only print the question. But I don't have the question defined. Oh, I do. Sorry, I do have the question defined. But, wait, I mean, that's my personal question. Aren't I supposed to be coding this for, like, anyone to input whatever they want? Yeah. Coding is difficult. Okay, so that's empty string, then print question. But shouldn't... That is... That doesn't even make sense. Because then it will just print that. It won't even say, like... How much do you want chat help? I mean, anything would be useful. Because... I don't think they're really gonna... I mean, let me try this. We can write... Sorry. We can write an if statement that checks if the name is set to an empty string. Okay. If name equals blank. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. So then question ... plus concatenate, okay. But I did. Well, okay, let's try it out. Let's say I did not put anything there. What? Question is not defined. Well, it is defined. Name question. But, code is executed from top to bottom. Yes. Smart cookie. Wow, computers do not get it, do they? Hey, Lapis. Okay. Well, this is a little bit messy. Because it's like, will I reach this? Will I reach this? 1, yes, definitely. Blank asks, oh no. It did really say blank asks. Oh, well that's because I asked it to print that. I see. Wait. No. Wait, I completely did this all weirdly. Because I don't, first of all, I don't even need that space. What was I thinking? And I also shouldn't have it print out that, right? I mean, they're not... Hey, alien. Computers do exactly what you told them to do. No, you're right. It is my fault. They only do what they're instructed to do. Yeah, but I guess I'm the one at fault because they did everything according to what they should have done and I didn't. I guess I don't, it doesn't matter if the 8 should be there. What if the question string is empty? The user does not provide a question, then the magic 8 ball cannot provide fortune. What if the question string is empty? If the user does not provide any question, then the magic can create if-else statement. Alright, top to bottom. If question is blank, delete line 16. Oh, that's what's causing the 8, yeah. You right? If the question is blank, then we want to say then the answer equals okay. Print out a message, okay. You need to write a question and then else. Huh, how does it know I'm talking about this specific if? Because, is it because they're all, oh, I see, it's because it's all under this tab? That's why? Maybe it's the way I'm organizing it. Else. Print the name in question. Else print the name the question huh, that looks awful. You can place else under every new if block. Okay, so the reason it's with this is because it's a new block. do that. And let's get rid of the other print, I think. Not that one though, I think we need that. If name is blank, but name is not blank, so let's do Bean. Okay, I think between these I do need a string. I think I just did it. Because I didn't actually want it to, yeah. So now, and now it, cool. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think we just did it. Poggers, this is a poggers. So this is the random integer between 1 and 9. I wonder what happens if we don't import the random. I guess that would probably ruin it, so let's not. What? I did complete, I mean... It wasn't too hard, you just need to not rush over it. If you don't import random, you can't use random integer. But, okay. Okay, I think I'm done for now. I think that's enough coding for now. I might come back later. But yeah, I just need a little break from coding. It's been fun, but yeah. Well, you might see me in a couple hours. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your Sunday. Thank you for watching. Coding make brain go burr. Well, I know, I just see this whole new thing and I'm like, I think I need a break. I think I learned a sufficient amount of stuff. But I mean, it was fun. I actually, that was the first thing I feel like I actually programmed. I don't know. Definitely need a break from sitting, yeah. Alright. See you guys maybe later. Bye-bye.